County in north-central Texas, northeastern Parker County in north-central Texas, northwestern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Springtown, or near Briar, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Golf ball size hail was just reported in Springtown.
What?
Hazard, golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Fort Worth, Weatherford, Azle, Lake Worth, Eagle Mountain, Briar, Pecan Acres, Willow Park, Reno, Springtown, Hudson Oaks, Pelican Bay, Rome, Haslett, New Fairview, Aurora, Boyd, Lake Weatherford, Lakeside, and Newark. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A severe thunderstorm